So welcome to the another video. In this video we will discuss about the second experiment of B.Sc fourth semester. The object of this experiment is to determine the molecular weight of the given sugar in the water solvent by elevation in boiling point method. So यहाँ पे हम elevation in boiling point method से sugar का molecular weight determine करेंगे किसी water solvent में. So requirements in this experiment are sucrose, distilled water, test tube, glass, thermometer, compounds, etc. In this principle, boiling point elevation formula, the boiling point of a solution containing a non-volatile solute can be expressed as boiling point of the solution is equal to boiling point of the pure solvent plus boiling point of elevation जिसको हम डेल टी बी से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. So, the elevation in boiling point del Tb is proportional to the concentration of the solute in the solution. It can be calculated via the following equation. Del Tb is equal to I into Kb into M, where I is the want of factor, Kb is the ebullioscopic constant, and M is the molality of the solute. Now we will see its procedure. First procedure is exactly 50 ml of distilled water was transferred to a hard glass test tube and was heated to boil. In the second procedure, temperature where the liquid started to boil was measured using the thermometer. Their readings were made and the average was computed. In the third procedure, another 50 ml of distilled water was transferred to a hard glass test tube and added with a 1 gram of sucrose. In the fourth procedure, the boiling point or temperature was measured using a thermometer. In the fifth, determine the molecular weight of if the solute was compound using the experimentally determined boiling point elevation. What observations we find in this experiment we can see here. In trial first, the temperature of boiling temperature of distilled water was 367 Kelvin. In trial 2 it was 368. In trial 3 it was 369. So mean value is 368 Kelvin. And boiling temperature of solution in the first trial was 369 Kelvin. In second trial 369 and 370 Kelvin in third trial. So mean value was 369 Kelvin. Now we will see its calculation. Using the formula from equation 1, the values obtained from experiment. Atmospheric pressure was 0.9970 atm, room temperature was 25 degrees Celsius, and molar boiling point elevation constant was 0.39 Kelvin into kg per mole or 0.39 degrees Celsius per mole. Distilled water used in the solution is 50 ml. Molality of sucrose is 2.564 mole per kg and theoretical molecular weight of sucrose is 342.30 gram per mole. Experimental molecular weight of sucrose is 7.80 gram per mole and percentage error was 97%. Now we will see its conclusion and result. The objective of the experiment were all performed as the experiment ended. The boiling point of water was determined and the boiling point of it obtained is 368 Kelvin. The boiling point of the solution was also determined, which was 369 Kelvin. The molecular weight of the solute used in the solution was also computed with the use of boiling point elevation formula. The experiment molecular weight computed was 7.80 gram per mole and the percentage error was 97%. Unfortunately, the percentage error computed is very high, which was caused by personal errors and the lack of ample time to finish the experiment. Precautions. Note the temperature very carefully. Use glassware like test tube in laboratory carefully. Clean and rinse the test tube before doing the experiment, and carefully measure the distilled water amount so that we can get a high molecular weight. Thank you.